Today we are going to learn about Marquee tag. First we need to write the basic structure of HTML. We need to write the text inside the Marquee tag. We will apply CSS to our Marquee tag. Direction is the attribute of Marquee tag. There are 4 types of values we can insert inside the direction attribute. That is up, down, right, left. You can see the difference in the output section. Scroll amount is another attribute of Marquee tag. It decides the speed of the moving text. You can see the difference in the output section. Loop will decide how many times you need the text to move. Here the text is moving according to the number given inside the loop. You can see the difference in the output section. We will use padding to see the output clearly. Behavior is the attribute of the Marquee tag. It decides that how the text will be animated. You can see the difference in the output section. Please do subscribe the video.